Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Qigong routine that is primarily focused on the legs. It's especially good for building up knee strength, boost circulation and improve joint mobility in the lower body. So go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin with a breathing exercise. Float both hands forward. Inhale, reach up. And then exhale through the side and soften the body. Shift the weight forward a little bit and reach up again. Growing upward. And then exhale. Shift the weight slightly to your heels and soften the body. So you kind of swing back and forth. Reaching up. And then exhale and soften. Twice more like that. And then exhale. And one more time. Inhale up. And then exhale down. Very good. Okay, so since today's video is focused primarily on the lower body, so we're going to jump straight ahead with the hip rotation. So begin rotating your hips clockwise by gently moving to the side, slightly forward, a good controlled range of motion. Again, the thing here is trying to go as low as you can. That allows you to kind of feel and experience the sensation as they come and go. Maybe notice any areas of discomfort or uneasiness. So you can even close your eyes and really look inwards, to bring your attention inward. Notice how you feel. Notice the hips, the hip area, the joints, the muscles around and underneath. Slowly begin to warm up and let go. Very good. Then we're going to pause and move in the opposite direction. So I've noticed many people when they do this exercise, they actually use a lot of strength from the lower back. Whereas here, the purpose of the exercise or the purpose of the movement is actually focused on the hips. So your lower back should remain nice and relaxed. Completely forget about it and just all your attention in your hips. Really opening and expanding, massaging the muscles around. Very good. And then we're going to move into the figure of 8. So by gently shifting the weight from one leg to another and slightly moving your hips. So we're going to kind of flow like a belly dancer. It's a very good exercise to improve the blood flow in this area down the legs. So if you want to do it in the morning or any time during the day, if you spend a lot of time sitting down or driving around or just generally a lot of desk work, that's a good exercise to do. Okay, very good. Then slowly come back to center. You can wiggle a little bit to relax the lower back if you need to. Okay, and then place your hands on the lower back. And I want you to warm up your lower back by gently rubbing up and down. Very good. And then keep your hands there. And we're going to gently push the lower back forward. Keep your neck secure and continue looking straight. So just your lower back. Push forward. And then straighten up. Release. We're going to do 2 more repetitions. So forward. Slow, controlled movement. Again, working within your range of motion. And then last one here, a little push forward to squeeze the back muscles and then relax. Okay? Keep your hands there and we're going to gently lean forward. Keeping our back nice and flat so you can feel the gentle stretch coming all the way down. So your hamstrings are working now, getting a little stretch there. And then lengthen through your spine and your neck. And then slowly raise up. So very simple exercise, but very effective. So we're going to inhale and then exhale forward again. So feel a nice flat back and slowly raise up. Very good. Last one here. Forward bend. Feel the back, feel the gentle stretch in your hamstrings. And then raise up again. Release your hands. Kind of shake off a little bit. Very good. And then bring your legs together. And we're going to bend the knees, and then we're going to tap the knees. So gently kind of tapping the knees, you can feel the thighs, the muscles really begin to activate to support your body weight, to support the movement. And then we're going to pause and come back up. We're going to do 2 more repetitions. So slide down, the knees are together. Relax your lower back and all the focus is on your legs. Then pause, slowly raise up and give yourself a moment to rest and allow the legs relaxed. And then one more time. Slide down and tap. And pause and release. Very good. Okay, you can shake off your legs if you need to. Otherwise, keep your legs together. And what we're going to do, we're going to slide down. Your back is nice and flat. I'll give you a hint. So try to relax your lower back. And what we're going to do, we're going to slide the knees even further to straighten our back. Yes, it will take a lot of courage, and the legs really have to work to support you, but we're going to give them a good rest after. Okay? And then slowly raise up. So the point of this exercise is to feel the tension and then experience the relaxation. And once that happens, that shift, when you begin to feel kind of the muscles relaxing and a spread of nice, warm, pleasant kind of sensations, that's when, that's what they call, you can experience the qi. So again, we're going down, and then we're going to slide the knees even further and straighten the back. Hold, hold, hold. And then slowly raise up. Relax your legs. And feel the muscle relaxation that spreads all the way down and up your thighs. We're going to do 2 more. Slide down. I think there might be a better view. And then shift the weight forward and strengthen your back. hold, hold, hold. And then slowly raise up. Very good. Again, take a moment here. You can take as long as you need to really experience, really tap into this progressive muscle relaxation. So, and we're going to do the last one here now. And move forward. Again, that knees really have to work now. Your thighs must be burning. We're going to rest afterwards, so stay with me. And slowly raise up. You can shake off your legs. Good job. And then raise your leg and we're going to tap and knee. Okay, and then do the same. And also the thigh. And very good. Fantastic. The next exercise in this routine is called the white crane spreads its wings. So it has nice two elements to that. So begin with the traditional Qigong stance. Relax your whole body, find the balance and stability through your feet. And then shift the weight to your right leg, same time as you raise both arms to the side and raise your leg up. Then slowly bring your leg down, keep your knees bent, and we're going to the same leg, go a little higher, opening all the way to the top. Then bring your leg down, slowly shift the weight, raise the other leg up. Nice, graceful movement, control your balance, control your body, and then go a little higher. And relax down. So we do 2 more on each side. Relax. Go a little higher. And relax down. Shift the weight, raise the other leg up. Lower, relax. All the way to the top. Relax down. One more time. Raise up. Exhale down. Go a little higher. Opening the body. Reaching upward. Nice long spine. And relax down. Last one. Down. And all the way up. Relax both arms, both legs down. And take a moment to rest. Again, noticing the sensations inside, especially in the lower body, your legs and your knees. And then we're going to take a nice deep inhale. And send the relaxation all the way down from top to bottom. Use your breath to help you relax by inhaling, opening the body. And then when you exhale, like a summer shower, relax the entire body. Let every muscle relax and soften. Inhale, you can even close your eyes. And then exhale down, exhale through your spine, the center of the body, your hips, your thighs, your knees, all the way down to the ground. One more time. Inhale up. And then exhale down. Very good. You can take a moment here to, again, appreciate your body, listen to your body, notice any sensation inside, and simply enjoy this moment.